How to make Instagram private account. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make Instagram private account. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, basically it's a very pretty simple method that you can apply and make your Instagram account private. You just need to go to Instagram. So this is my official Instagram account. So here what you need to do, you have to simply click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner, I mean on the downside. Just tap on it and then this type of interface will be pop up. So what you can do here is that you have to simply tap on the three days on the top right corner and then click on settings. Here simply tap on settings and then here you have to click on privacy. You can see privacy, simply tap on privacy and then here on the top you can see private account. Simply you need to enable this. You can see if you want to make your account private, first switch back to a personal account. So remember that if you have a professional account, then you have to switch back to personal account. So just go back and here and then you have to go to account here. Okay, so after going to account, scroll down and here you'll find one option that is switch to account type. Simply tap on it and then here you can see you have to click on switch to personal account. Simply tap here and click here, hold on for some few seconds and it's done. So now what you can do here is that you have to go to privacy again and then you can turn on this. Now you can see switch to private. Simply tap on it and then click on not now and it's done. Simple. Please subscribe to the channel. See you soon in the next video.